Hey guys, welcome to recipe time. Today we are going to be making sheet pan pancakes, which I have never made before, but I for some reason struggle with regular pancakes, and so I wanted to try this recipe out, and I think it's a really fun way for your family to help you cook pancakes. Because you're doing it all in one thing, you'll spread it out into the sheet pan, and then you can add toppings to like different quadrants. And so if somebody just wants like banana pancakes, you can add bananas to that one quadrant and that's theirs. Or you can do strawberries, blueberries. I'm gonna do some chocolate chips, of course. And so it's really nice to be able to customize your pancakes for your whole family. And I think it just is maybe a little bit easier, not as, like you don't have to sit there and watch the pancakes and flip the whole time. It's kind of a get everything ready, let it bake, and then you're kind of done for a little bit. And so I've actually already, as you guys saw in my little time lapse, I already combined all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. And the dry ingredients is 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. And then the wet ingredients is 2 cups of buttermilk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and then 2 large eggs. So those are separate. They actually say to do wet ingredients in the larger bowl and then add the dry ingredients. I switched that, and so I'm gonna kind of play with that a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. Let me just push it so you guys can see a little bit better. So I'm gonna add that. That was a gross noise. I'm sorry you had to hear that. And really the only thing for this recipe that I didn't have was buttermilk. I don't tend to have buttermilk on me. And so that's the only thing I really had to go to the store for. And it was nice because I just bought a little container and it was exactly 2 cups. So I wasn't gonna have leftovers that I was never gonna use. And then once this is all combined, we're just gonna pour it into the sheet pan. I'm gonna use my spatula now. All right, so it looks like that. And so I have greased my sheet pan with just cooking spray and kind of rubbed it around and tried to do it on the sides of the pan so that it didn't stick to the sides. All right. This is when I realized I don't have any upper body strength. I can't hold the bowl. I need to work out. Right. Then I'm just gonna spread it out. And there's my oven telling me it's ready. And it is set to 450 degrees. Sorry, this is not very exciting right now, but and for the ingredients today, or for my toppings, I guess I should say, I'm using cut up strawberries and chocolate chips, and I'll probably do like kind of like I told you guys in quadrants. I'll probably do one section of just strawberries, one of just chocolate chips, and then maybe one a combination of those. Okay, let me see if I can get this part. There we go. So just like that. All right, and so I have my mini chocolate chips and my cut up strawberries. And you could probably also do like I can imagine it would work to do like a s'more one. I think that would be really fun. And I saw too, for the recipe that I found, they actually did like a peanut butter topping for when they did bananas, which I thought sounded amazing. We're not big banana people at my house, so we didn't have any bananas. And I knew I would be the only one that was eating them, and I wouldn't even really like it. So I'm more of a strawberry person. And you could even do like cute designs with like make little faces in your pancakes and stuff. I think that would be really cute. Or you could do it on a theme, like, this just made me think of it because that's the red of the strawberries. You could do like, for holidays, do like a 4th of July one. You could do a Christmas one. You could just do sprinkles if you wanted to do that. We're a big fan of sprinkles. Okay, I'm gonna do hope these work out because I'm using a lot of my strawberries for this. All right, and then I'm gonna layer I don't know why I thought I wouldn't do chocolate chips on the whole thing, but let's be honest, it's just better. All right, so there's my pancakes. So I'm gonna put these in, and it says, so then if you had bananas, you could put the bananas, you could do the peanut butter frosting on it at the end. This one says you could also do blueberry lemon ones, which I think would be really good, almost like a blueberry muffin kind of situation. But we're gonna go ahead and bake it. It says till it's puffed up and pulls away from the edge of the pan, so it's about 14 to 16 minutes. And then you could even switch the oven to broil at the end just to get everything kind of golden. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I will check back with you whenever I'm done. Hey guys, so mine is all done. I left it in for 15 minutes, and then I realized it was already starting to get brown, and so I took it out. I'm gonna try to hold it up so you guys can see. It's still hot, but it's nice and golden brown everywhere, and it smells wonderful. And all you do is just cut it up and serve it, and so each person gets to choose what toppings they want, and then they have almost like their own personalized pancakes. All right, I hope you guys enjoy making these, and I will see you later. Just kidding, I'm back. I thought of an idea when I started cutting them up, is that this would be really nice to do, like I know they have these for like French toast sticks for kids, but to do them in little, and this one you could even do even smaller, but I have like almost little dunkers, and then just give them a little thing of syrup and they dunk it in there. And it's a little bit easier for them to eat if you're kind of like on the go, or if they're jumping up and down, getting everything sticky anyway. And so just give them a little dipper of pancake, and then you guys are all set. All right, I hope you enjoy.